Hi guys! And this is my Arella. Today is Saturday weekend and it's a sunny day outside. So for today's kwentuhan, I have a surprise question for Arella. While she's playing with her dollhouse. Yeah. It's gone. Oh my G. When was the last time you had to do something really hard? Yung very hard thing for you to do. What is it? When was it?
Getting ear piercing ng baby ako. It's the hardest thing. Paano ba umiyak ako?
Yeah, I know, but bata ka pa kaya nun, hindi mo pa yun alam. So kasi nung na-ear pierce siya, siguro I remember mga 6 months old siya.
6 months na anak ako.
Napaka-baby mo pa nun, hindi mo pa naaalala yun. Anything, household chores or something, a work from school, a work from home, what is it? Yung pinaka nahirapan ka?
Nakakit sa rooftop. Napapagod na ako. Yung pa ako parang masakit na siya. Kasi susunod na ako sa bed ni tatay. Pagod ako.
Kasi every day we go to the rooftop. That's the 3rd floor of our house. Kasi may tindahan ako doon sa bilyaran ng anak ko. Just nahihirapan ka pala doon. Bakit ka pa sumasama pa?
Ay, absent po eh.
So, nahihirapan kang umakyat. Ha?
Yes.
Hindi naman mahirap yun. Si Mima nga hindi nahihirapan eh.
Sa susunod, when we go downstairs, we see the little scary party.
Saan yun?
Sa rooftop din.
So, yun pala yung really hard na ginagawa niya. Almost every day we do that. Pero about your when we were reviewing during your exam, hindi ka ba nahirapan doon?
Hindi ako nahihirapan.
Physically, she's talking about physically. Okay. Eh di ba paano? Eh di wag ka na lang sasama sa akin sa rooftop.
I will get my... What? Yes.
Hindi ka na sasama sa akin sa rooftop.
Sasama ako.
You look here, look here.
Sasama pa ako.
Kahit nahihirapan ka.
Wait lang ha po. I will get...
We'll say bye-bye muna. Yan pala yung struggle niya haraw. Well, thank you for answering me, Arella. And thank you for watching our video, our kwentuhan.
Guys, ang ganda ng form ako, oh.
Please support us. Say bye-bye na. Bye. God bless.